5 common words you are using wrong. Word 1. Literally. Common misuse. I'm literally dying of laughter. Correct usage means something that is 100% true or real. Example: he literally ran 10 miles today. Word 2. Awesome. Common misuse. This sandwich is awesome. Correct usage used to describe something truly amazing or awe-inspiring. Example: the view from the top of the mountain was awesome. Word 3. Unique. Common misuse. This is very unique. Correct usage: something one of a kind. Example: this handmade painting is unique. Word 4. Actually. Common misuse. Actually, I think it's better this way. Correct usage used to emphasize what is true or correct. Example: he actually finished the project early. Word 5. Quite. Common misuse. I'm quite sure he'll win. Correct usage means completely or very. Example: the movie was quite interesting. Now you know how to use these 5 words correctly. Which word surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.